Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the morons and idiots we see out here on the road. Now this van is trying to force his way in front of a bus, never a good idea, and that's why the bus didn't yield. The only thing what yielded there was the van driver's intelligence. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Davey, and he's going down this country lane, just about to go round the bend, and the driver of the Ford Focus, which wasn't focusing, just pulls out. Good luck Dave, we've got quick reactions there. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from James W. going around another little country bend, a bit smaller this one, and the BMW comes far too fast as usual as a head-on collision. All pennies and no pounds, that driver. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Big Andy, and he's waiting patiently in this traffic queue along with everyone else. Now there's two idiots in this clip. First one there to the right, Mr. Entitled BMW. He's not going to wait in the traffic queue, not on your Nelly, straight down the outside, and at the moment unsuccessfully trying to force his way into the left. Yeah, definitely this one is a BMW. Brains mentally weakened. Now, keep your eye to the left. Here comes Village Idiot number 2. Straight up there, he's going to use that pavement. Down the pavement, that's what the pavements are for. Pair of them never paid their intelligence bills, so they got disconnected from their brains. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Angela B. Everyone's going round the roundabout with the sun in their eyes. That's not good. Anyway, keep your eye on this little car on the left. That car moves to the right. The initial van moves to the left without checking their mirrors, and that's the result. Never mind about checking your mirrors. A pair of these need a check-up from the neck up. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Reen21. It's in a petrol station, and this car is in the process of demolishing the petrol station single-handed. Expecting morons like this to drive carefully is like expecting a puppet to work without strings. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Arch T. Keep your eye on that little silver car with the green arrows pointing to it, yeah? Lights are about to change. Everyone's stopping. Everyone apart from the moron in the little silver car. Nothing wrong with his eyesight, it's just his brain. It's like CCTV, closed circuit. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Jake. Everyone's sitting at the red light. Police on the left. Little white car on the right. But the little white car ain't waiting no more. People like him are the reason that warning signs were invented. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Bad Cone. He's going down the road on his bike, and he's about to go round this Discovery with the door open. And the BMW just does a U-turn without looking. Or... am I wrong? Do you think that that was alright U-turn? Tell me what you think down in the comments below. I myself think that the BMW should have waited for Badco to go past. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Kelly, yeah? Notice everyone's driving sensible. Sensible speed, sensible distance, until the very unsensible, entitled BMW driver turns up in his black BMW with black wheels and black windows, and of course he's got the black empty space between his ears. In fact, he's the sort of guy, if you stood next to him and blew air into his ears, he'd say, "Thanks for the refill, buddy." And there he goes, look, a little right, little Scandi whip to the right, nearly hits that car. Yeah, you know what his BMW stands for, didn't you? Brain dead moronic wretch. That's exactly what he is. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Sven. He's going around this little icy little country lane, and the DHL van don't know it's icy or anything. Just comes around there full speed, and it's Sven straight in the front of the motor. Yeah, he is a DHL, a dickhead loser in this instance. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Kathy B. Now everyone's driving along sensible, obeying the speed limit, but that's till this moron in the Mini turns up. Moron in the little red Mini from left to right, right to left, going as fast as you like, riding like a brainless idiot, no head on his shoulders. In fact, he has got a head, but the only reason he's got a head is to keep his neck dry when it rains. Okay, so we got this little clip here from Trevor X going down the dual carriageway, and what happened there? We need a steward's inquiry. Here we go, slow-mo. Yeah, the Burke in the blue Merc came out of the blue from the left to the right, swiped his motor on the way across, and now he's gone off into the wild blue yonder. Hasta la vista, baby. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from G, and just pulling up at these temporary traffic lights here. Just temporary traffic lights have just turned red. Everyone's stopping. Everyone but apart from the entitled Range Rover driver who just sailed straight through that red light. What a thick idiot. If you put your ear next to that Range Rover driver's ear, you'd hear the sound of the ocean. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Angela B. Now, this person is a Darwin Award nominee, Peace the Resistance. Look at this on the dual carriageway. We're going to have a look again. Look, coming down there, they weren't going slow, were they? That sort of idiot there, yeah, is the sort of idiot who goes to a wind farm looking for work, picking fruit. What an absolute idiot. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Peter R. Now, everyone's waiting patiently in the traffic because there's roadworks or something up there, but not these impatient morons. Brain dead impatient idiots going up the other side, making a second lane where there ain't one. That's it. And look to the left, what happened there? That's a little bonus clip. Let's have a little steward's inquiry, look. Bike's coming along. One in the high of his strides, loses balance and he's on the deck. It was that black car's fault. It's always the car's fault. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Ed going over Westminster Bridge, past this massive queue of traffic on the left. Luckily, he's on a bike. And what we got here in the right-hand lane, we got the Uber idiot one, a transport for London's finest with a green round of dumbness in the window there. Can't be bothered to wait in the queue, yeah? Bit like before he was born, he was waiting in the queue for brains. When God was handing them out, he just said, oh, I can't be bothered with this, I don't need brains. And as you can see, this is the end result. Absolutely brainless. He's got an IQ of 2, but unfortunately he needs one of those to breathe. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Serge, and as you can see, there's a bit of traffic on this dual carriageway. Everyone's being patient, everyone's going slow, apart from the impatient idiot in the silver car, uses the grass bank, and after the hard shoulder his own private undertake lane. But he failed to use his eyes, and didn't see the arm coat barrier, and there's gone up there. What an idiot, he's got the observational powers of a tree stump, this idiot. Guys, if you like what you see so far, can you do me a little favour, please? Just hit that little like and subscribe button down below. It really does help the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Right, let's have a look at some idiots on some bikes. Okay, so you've got this car here pulling off from the traffic lights, and then from the right comes the village idiot on the bike. Here he comes, look. Realises what he's done, scared to death, momentarily lifts off the seat, just enough time to unload into his pants. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Russell G. Now watch this cyclist, he really is a brainless wonder, this one. He's only got 2 brain cells and both of them are fighting for 3rd place. That's it, goes through the barrier, red lights flashing, and had to swerve to the left because there's another train coming. What a moron. Okay, so you've got another little clip here from Ed, and he's just pulling up at these red traffic lights, but the delivery rider with the IQ of a bicycle pump, he ain't stopping because he don't even know what a red light means, probably. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Rod B. Now keep your eye on this guy on the moped, yeah, on this little 125 here. Going down there in the right-hand lane. He's not looking where he's going, but he's looking now because he's at the back of the car. Straight in there. He must have the observational ability of a headless chicken, that one. Okay, so you've got another little clip here from Ed. Now, keep your eye to the left there. Look, this moron here on the bike, yeah? No lights. Straight through the red light there at night. Nearly causes an accident between these 2 cars. What a donut. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Musa. He's sitting waiting at the red light. Lights go green. Everyone can go, but they can't because there's a moron with the IQ of a houseplant coming from left to right through their red light. Another smooth brain retard. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Sally W. Now, this is why cyclists always go on about the 1.5 metres of passing space, yeah? Pedestrians going across a crossing, but she didn't give that cyclist 1.5 metres of passing space. Disgusting behaviour from that pedestrian there. Absolutely disgusting. Okay, so you've got a little clip here from Benton. He's pulling up at this pedestrian crossing. Lights are red. Pedestrians are walking across it. This is a prime example of what you see all day, every day in London. Keep your eye to the right there. There he goes. The entitled cyclist straight away. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Andre S. And we're looking at a real little brainchild here. Look at this idiot. His back wheel's 1 feet away from the back of that truck. And look at the speed. 90 kilometres, 56 mile an hour. If that truck brakes hard, he can kiss his ass goodbye. Really gambling with his life, this moron, but let me tell you, he definitely ain't got all the dots on his dice. Another one that came out feet first. Okay, got another little clip here from Ben, and he's stopping at a pedestrian crossing again. Let the pedestrians cross. Keep your eye on the old couple coming from the left to the right, because the entitled cyclist weren't. Only thing he's keeping an eye on is his sense of entitlement and his arrogance. Okay, so you've got this clip from @Edis1975 and you find him on X. Now watch this idiot. Look, whoa, so close. Now here comes sperm tadpole brain across the tracks where he shouldn't be anyway. Now watch how close he is. You didn't realise it in the first clip. Watch this, look. The train actually clips his back wheel and takes his wheel out and he goes down. Now he might not be the biggest idiot in the world, but if the other one goes missing, he's in top spot. Well, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. If you did, first of all, very big thank you to all the people who sent me in video clips, as per usual. I couldn't do it without you lot. Much appreciated. What we're looking at here is a really lovely, stunning Datsun Skyline 240k GT. I only know that because the badges on the back. I don't really know much more about it apart from it's absolutely mint and you could eat your dinner off underneath. Anyway, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, guys. It really helps the channel. That's about it. Have a good weekend and see you in the next one. Bye.